replacing low beam bulbs, 2015 Chevy Traverse. You need H11 for low beams. You might have H11LL long life, but you actually need that H11. So what do you need? You need a torque 20. You have these two screws right here and right there. Take them off. Just push the wheel inside. Once you remove those two bolts, pull this plastic out, hold it with both hands, and that's what you need to get to. That's a low beam dust cap. You would twist left, take it off, twist the light bulb out, disconnect, put the new one in. Make sure you're using gloves because you don't want to be touching new bulbs. There's body oil on it, and then when you plug it in, it might just burn. So you put some gloves on, clean gloves, when you are ready to put new bulb in. But nothing to it, so you have to get it from the bottom, not from the top. So this is what came out, original H11. The car is 2015, so it lasted 5 years, not even. And that's what I purchased. So, but if you are not sure what fits your housing on a headlight, you have, I don't know if you can read it right there, H11LL. It would usually have a stamp on the headlight itself before you go purchase, because there are some that use H4, unless you have HIDs. Those are different bulbs, but it would say on the headlight H11, and there you go.